Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This thing is making sure the locks are locked, otherwise I'm gonna get a bamboo up my okay, I like it softer, so it has a nice curve to support the bum. Nice and tight. Hey, and properly sit on it. You can also sit right here and use this area as a table. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Ali Shanmo here. You have watched my video on Sitpack 2.0, the portable, folding, easy to carry seat, one-legged seat for FPV pilots or travelers. Well, I have more today. In this video, I'm going to show you the Zen X2 from Sitpack, that's Danish design, and it is a carbon fiber version. I have Sitpack Zen X1 in this hand, which is aluminum. So this is Zen X1 aluminum. I mean, these are bizarre seats, but man, they do work and they're very comfortable. User manual, okay. User guide. This is your Zen X2 carbon fiber version. You got the user manuals inside. So I'm gonna show you how you use the Zen X1 aluminum version. First thing first, unfold the leg, okay, and then you can actually lock it. Just twist it and it locks. All right, once it locks, you have to pull these two up, okay, until it locks one right here. If I come closer, you can see how it locks. You need to make sure it locks right here, okay. Once again, listen to me, you need to make sure this thing is right there locking, okay. And similarly at the other side, make sure it locks. Why? Trust me, if it didn't lock and you tried to sit, this thing will say hello to your little hole, and that's gonna be painful. I can tell you that. It's gonna be painful. So make sure it is locked, and after that, this thing is it is really, I mean, I'm a Shaolin Kung Fu trained Pakistani guy living in China for 20 years. I could break bricks and stuff, but this, I can't break it, okay. So once it is this, you have to adjust this according to your height. So according to my height, I will just lock 3. 1, 2, 3. So according to my height, I'll just lock 1, 2, 3, okay. And let me set the camera up. There. Man, this is really comfortable. It's much more comfortable than Sitpack 2.0. It is really comfortable with compared to Sitpack 2.0. Let me just close one more level and give my full weight on it, making sure the locks are locked, otherwise I'm gonna get a bamboo up my okay, look, really comfortable, man, really very comfortable. And I'm saying why it's more comfortable, because the Sitpack 2.0 has a hard surface with a very little thin foamy cover for your seat to carry it. That's all it has to offer. But this, like a hammock right here, gives a total comfort to your bum. Okay, so this is this, and when you want to fold it, just remove the locks. So once it's folded, these actually become handles to carry it. How nice it is, right? Okay, so this was aluminum. Now comes the carbon fiber. Obviously the difference is This is made of carbon fiber. So once again, unfold this, making sure you lock these. Once again, you lock these. Otherwise, you're asking for something up yours. Anyway, so once again, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 levels right here. Okay, I'm just gonna go 3 levels first. Okay, and also do remember this tension, you can also tighten it by moving this thing up right here, and you can adjust the tension on this one. Okay, I like it softer, so it has a nice curve to support the bum bum. Once again, check if it is nice and tight. Hey! 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 Ah! Okay, that's enough kung fu right here. And now, let's try this it. Just like this. I am pretty comfortable. Hold on, let me put the camera down a little bit so you can see it. This is the standing posture, standing gesture, where I can stand comfortably, putting my whole weight, body weight on Sitpack Zen X2 and, you know, fly my RCF PV. Or I can lock it down even shorter and properly sit on it. I can also sit right here and use this area as a table. Really very comfortable for me to work on RC planes right here. So people, this is Sitpack Zen X1, Zen X2, aluminum, carbon fiber. 2 portable, comfortable, easy to carry, amazing, bizarre, one-legged seats, chairs for FPV pilots, for travelers, for campers, you name it. And if it happens to be some zombies around, well, you can simply fight all the zombies you want with these. Twice the value for your money and twice the value for the comfort.